Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you get notified when we post future videos. Please like this video. That's the only way to motivate me to continue making videos for you for free, so you don't lose anything. Just like the video. By the way, if you have questions, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below. If you have questions that you want me to make a video on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. If you're looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. If you are looking to download robots, books, indicators and stuff like that, sometimes some of these things also cost me money, so bear with me when I take some time to get them for you, because I have to buy them from the people that are selling them.
When I give you a buy stop, this is what you must do. If I say buy stop 13,260, that means that anything above it, I believe that it will be a buy. Anyway, me, I'm taking more risk, but you see I said also add more trades at 13,270, so for me it's actually very risky for me to add above my buy stop, the initial buy stop. Instead, you can add it just above this 13,270. That is where you can say you're going to go bigger now. Yeah, you see, actually this whole piece, you want to just fill it up with a lot of buy stops, but also it depends on your account and experience again. Because me, I know that once it's in profit, what do I do? I'll show you what do I do when I'm in profit. So wait, don't just do it also without any experience or without any guidance from a master. Luckily me, I've been trading for many years, so when I say buy stop at this level, you can confidently do this. But honestly speaking, you are not allowed to do it on your own, this thing, because it will come, it will trigger you here, come back here, you'll feel the pain. So you need to know when is the right time to add and all those things. So when I give you a buy stop, it's usually when I know that okay, I'm sure the retracement is done, and with my analysis and everything, I know what's happening. So right now I'm waiting for it to pass the resistance, and then you'll see. I'll give you an update. Just wait. You'll see what's going to happen. These ones are in profit. These ones, because I opened them already in the morning. These two, not in the morning, I think yesterday. And then these ones are the ones that got triggered. No, when I was just taking chances. Because usually before I send a signal, I'm already in myself. You are entering now at the right time. This is to protect you. I go in first, risk my money just to protect you, and then you'll see what will happen now. This one, you'll see. Let's wait. You'll see what's going to happen. I just marked the resistance right now, called Resistenza Finale. I wrote it in Spanish, this one. Actually, it's Italian, this one. Resistenza Finale. Meaning it's the final resistance. I wrote it in Italian because of now it's going to get messy now. It means a Ferrari speed, it's a Lamborghini speed for me. You'll see after it breaks here what's going to happen. This is nothing. You'll see it. As I said, guys, I don't know. As I said, we made it. I gave out the GBPUSD signal today of a buy, and I gave out a Nasdaq signal of a buy. So can I just get some appreciation, any kind of appreciation, obviously in a form of share, any kind of appreciation, just say share. Your mentor Wayne is trying everything in his power to make everyone happy, especially to deliver results. I don't think a lot of mentors, they do this diligently. They can do it, but not diligently. Diligently meaning that putting all their attention, all their focus and mind into this to make it work. So guys, I'm even going to add more. The broker. Hey, let me just do this thing. So I just want a form of appreciation. Any form of appreciation. Someone just to say, Shaya, we see what you are doing and don't stop. When someone just says, we see what you are doing, don't stop. I don't want to let you one stop. So it will shoot. This one will shoot. Listen to me, it's going to shoot. Let's watch it again. What did I say? 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 Please come on. Come on, somebody. Shire. Give me a form of appreciation. Shire.